May it please the court, Your Honor? Yes. Before he's Mr. Moses Avery Woods. He is here on warrant number 2023-845-101-00609. Your Honor, he is charged with criminal sexual conduct in the first degree. He has been detained at the Winsboro County Detention Center since December 13th of last year and is represented by attorney Virgil Barr in this matter. This is defense's motion for a bond reconsideration.
Is he attempting to be out of jail or any other bond?
No, sir, Your Honor.
Tell me about his record.
Back in 2015, he had an assault and battery third degree, a burglary third degree, and malicious injury to personal property. 2017, unlawful carrying of a pistol, possession with intent to distribute marijuana, and trespassing. And in 2021, another unlawful carrying of a pistol.
All right, tell me about the fact.
Your Honor, back on December 9th of last year, Winsboro County Sheriff deputies responded to 61 East 8th Street, which is located within the Lanes area of Winsboro County. They made contact with the complainant. She stated that her and the suspect, Mr. Woods, have a relationship together. She stated that he invited her over to his house. She stated that she replied she wasn't doing anything, so she would make the trip over to be with him, to spend time with him. Once she got over there, he started engaging. Now, this is a fairly newer case. We just received discovery as well. I was told by Investigator Kennedy that interviews were conducted with both the defendant as well as the victim in this matter. Both stories sync up. They both agreed, they had an agreement to go to the house in Lanes to spend time with each other, quality time. As stated, the victim admitted that she did lead him on to a point, that she was naked in the bed with him, but that when it got too uncomfortable for her.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge. Your Honor, I guess based on hearing the facts, you probably can go ahead and infer what our defense would be with this particular case. This is Mr. Moses Avery Woods. He's approximately 30 years of age. He's actually born on New Year's Day, January 1st, 1994. Funny story about Mr. Woods is I actually was alerted to Mr. Woods in this case on my nightly trip to Food Lion. His mother stopped me and said, "You got to see about my boy." And I said, "Well, who is he?" And she told me who he was. And I said, "Okay, I'll get right back to you." And I talked to Mr. Woods. He lives in the 22 West 9th Street in Lane, South Carolina. He lives alone. He lives by himself. Before all this happened, Judge, he was working down in Charleston at the port. Had a really good job. We hope that he can get it back. We pray that he can get that job back. He's got some things in his past, Judge, but nothing at all remotely with this type of facts. Now, what Mr. Woods says, in which he indicates that there are messages on his phone. Now, this is a new case, so I don't expect the solicitor office to have the discovery ready on January 25th and the rest just happened. But he said there's messages in his phone that would clearly show that this was a consensual meeting, that he actually went to go pick this young lady up to bring her over to his house. And then she became upset because she wanted him to take her home, and he smartly said, "It's 4 o'clock at night. I'm not getting the DUI. I'm not driving you home. If you want to go home, I can take you home in the morning, or you can arrange other transportation." And apparently, when she arranged other transportation, she also arranged another set of facts. But Judge, based on just the story and these cases. Thanks, Judge.
No contact.
This is Christian News TY. I'm Tony Conyers. Is there any newsworthy events in Winsboro County? We will get them to you as soon as possible. If not, you can follow us on Christian News TY Facebook. You can follow us on YouTube, and you can follow us on our website.